Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for joining me. And most importantly, I just want to thank you for being part of my ISLPR learning community. Today, I want to explain why I have decided to stop charging for the online ISLPR test preparation mentorship program, which is based on ronaldkaunda.com. The course will remain open, and from now on, students can access it for free. I want to be honest and transparent about this decision. The first reason is that I have been focusing a lot of my time and energy on refining and improving ISLPR This is a platform dedicated to helping ISLPR candidates practice and test their writing. So the response to ISLPR writing has been so overwhelming. Many candidates have visited the platform, they have used the writing test tools, and have benefited from the opportunity to practice writing in a more focused and practical way. Because of this growing response, I have had less time to properly attend to the ISLPR mentorship course on ronaldkaunda.com. And to be very honest with you, I do not think it is fair for me to continue taking payments from students or even provide the level of direct support that they may expect from a paid mentorship program, because indeed it was not free at the beginning. So I have made what I believe is a fair decision. You can now access the ISLPR course on ronaldkaunda.com for free, but please understand that it will come without guaranteed personal responses from me. In simple terms, you get the course for free, but I may not be available to respond to questions or even provide individual feedback as quickly as before. I think, and again, in the spirit of fairness, this is a fair game. The second reason is connected to one of the biggest questions I kept receiving from ISLPR candidates. Many students were asking about writing. They wanted to know how to improve their writing, how to structure their responses, and how to practice. And they also used to ask how to understand the kind of writing expected in the ISLPR test. That demand motivated me to build ISLPRWritingTest.com. And again, most of you have been to the platform. Most of you have seen how it can help. The beauty of ISLPRWriting.com is that it gives ISLPR candidates a practical space to work on their writing. Instead of just reading about writing, students can actually practice. They can attempt writing tasks. They can test their skills and develop confidence through regular practice. Writing is one of the most difficult areas for many ISLPR candidates because it requires organization, grammar control, vocabulary, clarity, purpose, audience awareness, and confidence. That is why I actually wanted to create a platform that focuses specifically on writing practice. And so far, ISLPRWritingTest.com has helped many candidates taking practice more seriously. Why? Because it gives candidates a chance to engage with writing in a more active and realistic way. So while the ISLPR course on ronaldkaunda.com is now free, I want to make a small appeal. If the course helps you and you would like to appreciate the work I am doing, please visit prwriting.com and buy some tokens. That support helps me continue improving the platform and building more useful tools for ISLPR candidates, lesson writing, and content development. As many of you know, IELTS and ISLPR are different tests, but both require serious preparation. Building a quality IELTS course takes time, and I do not want to create something rushed or shallow. I want to build something that is useful, something that is practical, and something that can genuinely help students. Because of this, ISLPR mentorship course on Ronald Kaunda demands, and I know that many of you will want me to answer questions on that platform. So I had to make a responsible decision. Even if I am not able to personally support everyone in real time, the course will continue supporting you and helping you. So here is my message to my SLPR candidates. Please use the free course on ronaldkaunda.com. Go through the lessons, you can take notes, you can practice consistently and use the materials to strengthen your understanding of the ISLPR test. But If you really want to build your writing skills, I strongly encourage you to visit ISLPR That is where my main focus is now. That is where I am putting my energy into helping candidates practice writing more effectively. If you want to support my work, the best way to do that is by buying tokens on ISLPRWritingTest.com. And the tokens there are cheap. You can buy, I think there's $20 Australian dollars, and then there's $60. So cheap. Your support helps me keep that in improving the platform, creating resources, and helping many candidates. Thank you for understanding this change, and thank you for trusting my work, and thank you for continuing to support the platforms that I am building. So today, visit ronaldkaunda.com to access the free ISLPR course, and visit ISLPRWritingTest.com to practice your writing and support the work that I do. I wish you all the best in your ISLPR preparations. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for sticking with me. Bye-bye.